Hi, so this isn't the type of normal video I make, but I am so frustrated with this iOS 18 update and how they completely ruined the video playback and usability within the Photos app. So a quick preface. Several updates ago, probably a year or two in 2023 or so, I noticed that they messed up Photos where when you go and take a screenshot of something, what would happen is it makes the image tiny on the screen and you only have a certain amount of real estate to annotate, right? Now, as a football coach, if I screenshot a capture of a video, I want to quickly be able to draw on the screen. And prior to about a year and a half ago, it was always full screen. Now, they've completely flubbed videos to the next level. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So when you go in this new gallery view or whatever, the library, it opens up the video in that small area, just like you took a screenshot. So you can't really work with much here. It's tiny. It makes a cell phone screen even smaller, mobile screen. Now, the huge issue here, there used to be this, I guess you call it a scrubber or timeline where you could just simply drag. Now it's overlaid over the video. And besides the fact that it's impossible to grab it if you got bigger fingers, the other issue here, which is critical, if you coach or you want to zoom in on a video or whatever, right? I don't want to be watching this at 2/3 of the size. So if I go and make it full screen, you have to tap it, try to finagle it, tap it once, tap it twice. What the heck? You can't get it, right? So let's say I want to zoom in and then show, I coach football here to show the student where he hits it on his foot. The problem is this scrubber, it only shows a portion of the video. So now it's an 8-second video. As you could see, it goes from 0, 0, 0 to 0, 0, 1 at the bottom of an 8-second video. So if I go out of the video, go back in the video and let it play in this tiny screen, it shows the full 8 seconds, which, by the way, you can't even see the timeline of where it is. You should be able to see like prior versions easily. You should be able to scroll down here and see everything. So the whole thing is a complete mess, and they really screwed this up, and it's causing a lot of issues for a lot of people. So I don't know if you have the same problem where you're trying to do videos and you can't view them and edit them and use them and scroll through. Please go in and report it to Apple support. I apparently was the first person ever that even reported this, which is mind-boggling, but I submitted the ticket today, November 20th, and I'm praying that a bunch of y'all could watch this video and get that out, get the word out. So please comment on this video, your thoughts, if you have any issues with how Apple changed the video playback, particularly with how it shrinks the real estate of the video and that the overlay of the scroller, or I guess some people call it a scrubber. We need to get it back to at least how it was. But I think the easy solution is you show the video in the full screen always, and then one simple tap is going to pull up your timeline at the bottom, and then you could drag, and then if you tap it again, it simply just plays the video without any clutter. That's how the photo editing should work as well of screenshots. It should never shrink to a tiny size and then you have to zoom and finagle it. So hopefully I'm not losing my mind and there's other people experiencing this frustration.